Hello everyone. Today we will discuss nursing previous year question paper MCQs. Before starting, please subscribe to the channel and like, comment and share. Which of the following is the earliest sign of iron deficiency anemia? Correct answer is D. Decreased serum ferritin. Serum ferritin is the earliest and most specific marker of iron deficiency. Next question. Which vitamin is essential for the absorption of iron from the intestine? Correct answer is C. Vitamin C. Vitamin C enhances non-heme iron absorption in the duodenum. Next question. Which form of vitamin B12 is active in human metabolism? Correct answer is C. Methylcobalamin. Methylcobalamin is the biological active form that participates in DNA synthesis. Next question. Pernicious anemia is caused by a deficiency of. Correct answer is C. Vitamin B12. Pernicious anemia is due to intrinsic factor deficiency causing poor B12 absorption. Next question. Which lab finding is most consistent with folic acid deficiency? Correct answer is B. Elevated homocysteine levels. Folic acid deficiency impairs methylation reactions, increasing homocysteine. Next question. Which virus is transmitted via the fecal oral route? Correct answer is C. Hepatitis A. HAV spreads via contaminated food or water. Next question. Which hepatitis virus can cause chronic infection? Correct answer is B. Hepatitis B. HAV can lead to chronic hepatitis, cirrhosis and liver cancer. Next question. Which of the following is a myeloid precursor? Correct answer is B. Proerythroblast. Proerythroblast is part of erythropoiesis from the myeloid lineage. Next question. Erythropoietin is mainly produced by. Correct answer is C. Kidney. The kidneys produce EPO in response to hypoxia. Next question. Which cell gives rise to all blood cell types? Correct answer is C. Hematopoietic stem cell. These multipotent cells differentiate into all blood lineages. Next question. Hepatitis C is most commonly transmitted through. Correct answer is B. Blood transfusion and IV drug use. HCV spreads primarily through blood contact. Next question. Plasma cells are derived from. Correct answer is C. B lymphocytes. B cells differentiate into plasma cells to produce antibodies. Next question. Which marker indicates active replication of hepatitis B virus? Correct answer is C. HBeAg. HBeAg positivity suggests high infectivity and viral replication. Next question. Increased reticulocyte count indicates. Correct answer is C. Active erythropoiesis. Reticulocytes are immature RBCs released during increased RBC production. Next question. Which of the following structures receives urine from renal papillae? Correct answer is B. Minor clays. Minor clays collect urine from the tips of pyramids. Next question. Renal corpuscle includes. Correct answer is B. Glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. Together they form the filtering unit of the nephron. Next question. Which part of the nephron is primarily responsible for reabsorption of glucose? Correct answer is C. Proximal convoluted tubule. Nearly all glucose is reabsorbed here under normal conditions. Next question. Juxtaglomerular cells release. Correct answer is B. Renin. Renin controls blood pressure and sodium balance. Next question. Which structure drains directly into the urinary bladder? Correct answer is D. Uterus. Uterus carry urine from renal pelvis to bladder. Next question. Which of the following is a characteristic finding in megaloblastic anemia? Correct answer is B. Hypersegmented neutrophils seen in vitamin B12 or folate deficiency, indicating impaired DNA synthesis. Next question. Iron is mainly absorbed in which part of the intestine? Correct answer is A. Duodenum. Iron absorption primarily occurs in the acidic environment of the duodenum. Next question. Which of the following blood cells has the longest lifespan? Correct answer is C. Erythrocyte. RBCs live about 120 days longer than most other blood cells. Next question. Intrinsic factor is produced by. Correct answer is B. Parietal cells of the stomach. Intrinsic factor is necessary for B12 absorption in the ileum. Next question. Thalassemia is classified as which type of anemia? Correct answer is B. Microcytic hypochromic. It results from defective hemoglobin synthesis. Next question. Which hepatitis virus requires the presence of another virus to replicate? Correct answer is C. Hepatitis D. HDV is defective and needs HBV for replication. Next question. Which type of hepatitis is most commonly associated with pregnancy complications? Correct answer is C. Hepatitis E. HEV, especially genotype 1, is severe in pregnant women. Next question. Chronic hepatitis is most likely seen in. Correct answer is C. Hepatitis C. HCV has the highest rate of progression to chronic hepatitis. Next question. Ground glass hepatocytes are characteristic of. Correct answer is B. Hepatitis B. These cells contain HVSAG in the cytoplasm. Next question. Fulminant hepatitis is best described as. Correct answer is C. Rapid liver failure within weeks occurs with massive necrosis, often fatal. Next question. Which structure is located in the renal sinus? Correct answer is B. Minor calyx. Renal sinus contains calyces, vessels and pelvis. Next question. Which structure is lined by transitional epithelium? Correct answer is B. Renal pelvis. Transitional epithelium lines most of the urinary tract. Next question. The function of podocytes is to. Correct answer is C. Support glomerular filtration barrier. Podocytes form filtration slits around capillaries. Next question. Which of the following is true about the urethra? Correct answer is C. It connects urinary bladder to outside. Urethra allows urine excretion from bladder to external environment. Next question. Which artery gives rise to afferent arterioles? Correct answer is D. Interlobular artery. These lead directly into the glomerulus.